To me, this is the world's best cup of coffee. And I guess we'll have to have it black because they drink it black in the movie. You know what would be fun? We could try the world's worst cup of coffee, according to some random website that I googled. Taster's Choice. Or was it Nescafe? This is Nescafe. So this is like instant coffee. Like you pour it in there and you just mix it in with the water. So this, to me, from what I've had in my lifetime, is considered the worst cup of coffee. But is there really a bad cup of coffee? Like, come on, come on, Pete. I haven't had one of these in a long time, so Awaken or Tasteless. If y'all never had one of these, like, I feel like everyone needs to experience instant coffee. So you pour it into a cup, and then you add 8 fluid ounces of hot water, and then you stir and enjoy. Or whatever you think means enjoy. You know, my Keurig is working double time. It's just, oh, it's clouding up. But this is kind of like nostalgic, because this is what I always thought coffee was. Like when I was younger, I was like, I don't like it's just, you just mix the coffee with the water and then it just, you know, does that. But it honestly makes me feel bad for Nescafe, because they've been around for years, and I'm like, how could y'all say it's the worst when, like, they made y'all? Because, like, on the back, it's like, create a perfect cup, and then this website's like, ew. The smell is so different, though. I will have to admit that one. It's like a galaxy in the sky. Oh, that's cup of coffee. Yeah. I don't stand corrected on it. Heat corrected. Okay, so now let's try the worst coffee. I was gonna do air quotes, but it's like there's been research done. It's just different. So the next movie is Miss Congeniality. As I was looking at the other movie scenes, like this one popped up, and I was like, there's not a coffee scene in Miss Congeniality. It's at the very beginning of the movie. I love how they tried to like make her look bad in this movie too.
All right, I need 8 double tall. 8 double tall lattes, 1 no foam, 5 ice venti decaf percent lattes with a long straw, 4 caramel macchiatos, double up on the top, we got a long way to go. I need 2 blueberry spoons with little granules on top, and 1 Starbucks compilation seed. No, I would like these.
Double plum. So out of all of those, we're gonna try, she says iced decaf percent lattes with a long straw. So I got some muffins. And they have little granules on them. I couldn't find any decaf. At least decaf like K-cup. I found half cap. Oh, muffin. This is what I've been looking forward to the most. If we're being honest, is a muffin. It has a banana taste, but yeah. And that's it. Ice and milk. Wait, that looks yummy. Good. That's just milk and iced coffee. This has been my favorite one so far, I guess, because I haven't really had iced coffee for a while. Like, something a little different. So the last movie that we're going to take a look at is Sudden Impact, which is like so different than the rest of these movies. And it's probably like super spoiler alert. I don't know. Acorn Cafe is such a cute name, though. Like, I'm just going to Acorn Cafe.
Every day for the last 10 years, Loretta there has been giving me a large black coffee. Today she gives me a large black coffee, only it's got sugar. A lot of sugar.
That was super smart of her. Like, I would not have thought of that. Like, what if he had already gotten in the car, like, down the street before he had even started sipping the coffee? Because usually it's really hot and you get, like, down the street before you even start sipping on it. So, it's movie magic, Madison. It doesn't even need to be explained. Because I don't want to waste, like, my good coffee. I'm going to put it in the instant coffee. I'm sorry. No matter how much I stir it, you can still see the sugar in there. That's when you know it's good. Yeah, see, I can spit it out. I didn't think it was possible for the sugar to make it worse. Oh no. So even Clint Eastwood, who is tough as nails, he was like, I'm not drinking this. I'm not drinking this. Clint Eastwood, if you see this, call your son and say, hey, Madison, say hey. Every day I'm working towards making my life a movie. And today we made a few steps toward that.
The new Starbucks pink drink is like discovering a luscious strawberry utopia, refreshingly extra.
Welcome back to my bathroom. Hey, I'm just glowing today. Like, I know you don't have to comment that. Like, I know I'm just really glowing. My bathroom, I wouldn't say needs, but it wants a revamp. It wants organization. We're just gonna organize my bathroom today, and it's gonna be really fun. I bought all kinds of fun stuff to kind of organize. I had to hold back a little bit. I had to really think, do you need this giant lime green glass piece of something to go in your bathroom? No. So I put her back down at TJ Maxx. I went to a thrift store. I found a couple things. So I got these two little baskets that I could put stuff in. It kind of like matches like the vibe. I got this, it's like a little shelf thing. I don't know how, I'm realizing that I don't know how to decorate. Like, I don't know how to, if I was an interior decorator, it would be the most miserable existence. And then I got this isn't for the bathroom, but I thought it was really cute. It's like a painting, or not a painting, well, I guess it is art. Or they had lots of frame things, but there was this one that was a person from NASA, like someone that worked at NASA, and y'all know how it's all of my NASA stuff. It was like a congratulations to this person. They were being like recognized for doing something in NASA, and there was like a picture of like a rocket ship and stuff. And I was like, should I get this and put it on my wall? No, because I don't want to take credit for something that's just whoa, you know. I was gonna do it for the aesthetic, but I decided not to. So it's a little bit later, actually a lot later, and I really don't know what I've done. I'm starting to get a little bit quirky when a sale is happening. But look at this. I had been eyeing this for a while. One of these. It looks like a little basket, like a shopping basket. Don't know what I'm gonna put in it. So I went a bunch of like, I started at the thrift store because I was like, okay, let's find the cheapest things we can. And then I just kind of went overboard in general. I've noticed that I say in general a lot. And I'm like, where did that even come from? Like in every sentence to people, I'm like, so how are you in general? This video is sponsored by GlassesUSA.com. By cutting out the middleman, Glasses USA offers over 10,000 prescription glasses and sunglasses, including in-house brands like Muse and Amelia E, and designer brands like Oakley, Ray-Ban, Gucci, and many more, at up to 70% off retail prices. Shopping online at GlassesUSA.com means a risk-free shopping experience. Free shipping and returns, 100% money-back guarantee within 14 days. GlassesUSA.com also includes a collection of advanced blue light blocking glasses such as these. It's so cute. I love it so much. I feel like a 90s girl. When I'm editing for hours on end late at night, like I always have to have a pair of blue light glasses on, and it's fun to like switch between different ones if you're feeling a different vibe. GlassesUSA.com even has a virtual try-on tool on the website, which really helps you find the right pair. I used it to find mine, and it was super helpful. And I got these, which I love also, like a thicker lens. Also a pair of sunglasses. They have sunglasses too. So we have these cool sunglasses. You know how the sun is like bright and stuff? So you can click on the link below and you can get 65% off your first pair of GlassesUSA.com sunglasses or glasses. Thank you so much, GlassesUSA.com, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into the video. You see the camera. So let me give you like a little look into what I deal with on a daily basis. I'd say it's pretty organized. It's not too bad, but like so many things are just so hard to get to. First of all, like my shower is fine. Like it's just me, so it's like there's not much happening there. I'm a pretty basic gal. I just have my basic things. But when you get to these drawers down here, I'll just show you. Well, it doesn't look too bad, but this is mostly like my hair stuff, and then all of my jewelry is in this one thing. And then all of this is like some skincare stuff like face masks, sprays, and makeup. But like there's a bag back there that's just full of makeup that I would wear, but it's just hard to get it organized because there's a bunch of empty space up here. And it's all just on this one level, so that's why I got those things. And I measured the inside of this, and hopefully they're gonna fit. And then this is just a bunch of random stuff. It's usually more organized than this. I'm just saying that to make myself sound better. Put you on the toilet. So I have all this stuff that I got. There was a 66% off sale. Like, what did they expect? It's also hard to like get stuff in here. Every time I need like the curler or the straightener or the hair dryer, when I put it back in there, it tips over and like makes all this other stuff fall over. And then in here, there's like random makeup stuff. Just on there. And that's my life. Oh, I forgot if you can. Ew. Screenshot that, guys. Don't get this mixed up with one of those restocking videos or like the organization videos that are actually just buying a bunch of cute stuff and like adding it to your drawers and like spending $1,000. I don't even know where to start and I'm already out of breath. I got these from TJ Maxx, got these from Walmart. It's like a mini version of those. And it was like $1. Look how cute. What am I gonna use this for? Bluetooth shower speaker. I wanna be immersed. Don't you love that feeling when there's a sale and it's like of stuff that you already bought and you bought it for full price and then you see it on sale? Like, well, I'm just a failure. Oh, I had to get one of these. It looks like a gumball machine. I thought I could put like bath bombs or something. Oh, I'm usually not this fancy, but these are on sale, sure. So I got a couple of these, just these little organizers. I've had my eye on these forever. And then of course like this big tub that I thought I could put like cleaning products and like paper towels, toilet paper stuff and stuff in. I think first, what I'm really curious about finding out is if these are gonna fit in those cavities. Let's just get all this stuff out of here. I had it all like lined up and everything, and you know, I had it pretty organized. Oh, you know what my favorite thing that happened in here was? There's this setting spray that like looks so fancy and cute, and I was like, there's no way I'm getting rid of this ever in my life. As you can see, it looks really used. You're probably like, whoa, you used all of that up. You must have loved that, using that on your face. It all spilled. It all spilled in the bottom again. So yeah, that's the whole story. Okay, these will be in the Smithsonian one day. Maybe. Yeah, we're still in our pink. I'm sorry. They smell good actually. And then this, oh, this a disaster waiting to happen. That sounded like glass. Okay. This is all just full of makeup. I'm scared. If it doesn't fit, this whole video is canceled. So I put like most of my makeup in the drawers, but there's so much empty space in the back. There's all that skincare stuff. I have like all my lip stuff in here, eye stuff in there, face stuff in there. I don't want to like waste space because I still have like all of this stuff and all of these. Oh, potato. And then we can put this. Because all of this stuff is stuff I use like daily, so I'll need it out. And I only want to have stuff out that I use daily. Oh my gosh! Is that like sanitary clothes? And then my toothbrush thing. Oh, I need to clean that. I have like 2 boxes of green left. Why did I take that tag off if I don't know if I'm going to use it? Oh, through the camera, it looks...
Dun, 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 dun.
For some reason, like, through the camera, it looks way better than in real life.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.